Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting mini review video for you. Basically the product which I'm going to show you, I received in my PR and I really wanted to sit and talk about this particular product. Before I talk too many things, let's just dive in today's video. I'm sure that you guys already know by now that Lotus Herbal have recently launched their new collection of lipstick and I received two of them. This is how the packaging looks like. Absolutely love the packaging. We are going to talk more about these lipsticks and what are the benefits and how long it's last and everything, because I am in love with these lipsticks. This is how the lipstick looks like and it is the Ecostay Matte Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Rose Blossom and this retail for $7.25. However, you can get this right now on discounted price, which is 549 rupees. You can check on their website. I will have link in the description box. This gives a ultra luxurious cushion-like texture which delivers intense cream-like application and makes it completely transfer-proof in no second without even drying. Lotus Herbal lipstick is cruelty-free, paraben-free and 99% natural. You just need a single stroke lip color which is rich in liquid matte finish and that has long lasting and it feels super smooth on the lips. It is not at all heavy. It dries instantly matte and the next shade which I have is the Red Fantasy. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful ox blood red sort of a color which I'm going to swatch on my lips as well as on my hand to show it to you. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini review and swatches video. Do let me know what's your take on these lipstick. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna buy more of these colors, like a lighter shade or a nude color for sure. Lipsticks last for more than 4 hours to 5 hours. You just need to do little touch up and when it fades off you have a nice tinted lip, so you really don't need a heavy product on your lips. So which is why I really like this lipstick a lot and they are worth investing your money. But that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I shall see you in my next video. Till then you guys take care and make sure to subscribe to my channel. That would make a lot of difference for my channel to grow. Till then, bye guys.